Bum. Hello, everybody. My name is Leland Redfield, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how we use YouTube to grow more leads for our membership and how you can do it too. Let's jump into it. So, YouTube success, how to get more leads for your membership. All right, well, we're going to be covering this. We're going to start with the 5 growth constraints for a membership. You have to understand what's holding you back first, and if it's leads, then this video will be a great fit for you. Why is YouTube the perfect lead generation? This is our favorite lead generation and what we use primarily for our business. We're going to cover the golden rule. So one platform, one avatar, one product. How to build your YouTube for lead generation. So not just building up YouTube views, but how do you actually get more leads and then members into your membership? And then the 6 core elements of high converting YouTube videos. Let's get into it. All right, so first, why listen to me? If you don't know, I'm the head of strategy for Sarah Yoga. It's my wife's business. She's got about 1.7 million subscribers at the time of this filming and thousands of paying members inside the Sarah Yoga membership. And so everything that I'm going to share with you is what we have tested and what we've done to be successful on YouTube. So whatever membership you're in, you're always going to have 5 constraints. And the goal is to figure out what your number one constraint is and then solve it and then move on to your next constraint. And so the 5 constraints are leads, not enough people are finding you, conversions, people see you but don't join, retention, the members leave too soon, Ascension, you don't have any premium offers or upgrades, upsells, and delivery. People join, but they just don't get results. So in this presentation, we're focusing on leads and how you can use YouTube to solve this constraint. So why YouTube for lead generation? So if you do YouTube right, you're going to get evergreen traffic. Evergreen, if you don't know what it means it can generate leads for you today, tomorrow, and a year from now. And so it's unlike Facebook or social media, other social medias where I compare it to a match. You light a match, you get a flame, flame goes out, you got to light another match, got to light another match. YouTube's not like that. It's evergreen. So it'll just keep giving you leads. And that's why it's really powerful. Search-based discovery. So search-based discovery means that people are looking for their solution and then they're going to find your video. So it's a much different mindset than if you just throw an ad in the middle of their feed or you do a Facebook post. You don't know what they're thinking at the time. But on YouTube, they're searching for a problem and then your video is going to be the solution. So it's a lot higher quality leads. High trust factor. So the more time people spend with you on YouTube, the more that they're going to trust you. And the more they trust you, the more likely they are to take that next step and purchase from you. And again, 24/7 lead generation. So these videos will be pumping out leads for you all the time, no matter what. All right, so the golden rule. A lot of people make this mistake when they're trying to grow. I personally have made this mistake a bunch as well, but until you hit a certain point, and that might be 10,000 a month, it might be $1 million a year, but you want to do one platform, one avatar, the one person that you serve, and then one product. If you do anything more than this, the amount of work that you need to do in order to keep the ship afloat is just too confusing and too overwhelming, especially for small teams. So don't get stuck in the idea that you need to be on every single platform. Choose one platform and do it at a really high level. All right, so YouTube. First step is to figure out what your most profitable keywords are. And so this is your foundation for success. So it's a little different than what some other YouTube people might teach. You want to find your most profitable keywords, the ones that are most likely that the people who would buy your membership, what problems are they searching for online? And once you have the most profitable keywords, you want to choose just 3 to 5 of them. And then you want to create lots of videos around that content, around those keywords. So, if your keyword is morning yoga, then you can do 15-minute morning yoga for back pain, yoga morning for energy, morning yoga for men, women. But you want to have that keyword everywhere because that's your most profitable keyword if you have a yoga membership or a morning yoga membership or product. So find your most profitable keyword, choose 3 to 5, and then create lots and lots of videos around there. And quantity becomes quality. So the more you create, the better they'll get. And the more you create, the more likely that one of those videos is going to get ranked really high and get tons of traffic. Six elements of a high converting YouTube video. So what are the things that matter? So thumbnail is going to be, it stops the scroll, makes them curious, and it gets you a click. If they don't click, they're never going to watch the video. So thumbnails super important. Let me see here if we, cool. So thumbnails are super important. The best way to figure out what thumbnails work is to search your most profitable keyword and then see what thumbnails look like on the first page of that most profitable keyword, because those are the videos that are performing well. So you want to learn from them. How big is the text? What is their face doing? Do they have arrows? Do they have colors? And you want to replicate that because that'll give you the highest likelihood of success. After that, you need to get a good hook. So the first 5 seconds is super important. Same deal. Watch the videos that are performing the best, see how they hook the audience, and then replicate what's already working. Title. So your title should be a blend of your most profitable keywords, and it should also get intrigue or curiosity. So it says blend of SEO. That just means your most profitable keywords, and then some form of curiosity that allows them to be interested and want to watch the video. Descriptions and tags. This is going to boost SEO and visibility, and it will be the place where you have a link to your free lead magnet. And descriptions and tags are really easy. Just use AI, tell them that you want description that is for this specific keyword or for this video, and it will give you a very good description. Call to action. So the YouTubers who are not making a lot of money on YouTube do not have a good call to action. So the call to action should be, if you like this, then you'll like this, my free gift. If you like this YouTube video, then you'll like my free gift. And that's basically what the call to action is. You can add a little bit more value there, but really you just need a very clear call to action. And so what it might sound like is at the end of the video, a couple things with the call to action. At the end of the video, you want to be in a different setting, different outfit that will recapture the attention. And you want to say, hey, if you like this YouTube video, then you'll love my morning yoga challenge where you can get best morning yoga videos in the world. Click the link below. So it's always, if you like this video, then you'll like my free gift. Click the first link in the description below or pinned in the comments. That's how you do a call to action. And then a free gift. So the free gift has to be totally aligned with your membership. So think of it like a slice or a piece of your membership, because the idea is that they watch a YouTube video, they get a free gift, which is part of the membership. If they like the free gift, then they'll buy the membership. So you want it to be totally aligned. And usually with YouTube, I think the free gift should be videos. They're on YouTube watching a video, you're offering them a free gift as a video, and you're selling a video membership or coaching. So the example funnel would be, they watch a YouTube video, it's free value, and then they make an offer for a free gift. They opt in to the free gift, they go to the opt-in page, and then they get an email nurture and an upsell. And so that's the process. And then what you do is you just create tons of videos on the front end, and you just put them all through this funnel. And again, pro tip, I mentioned this on the last slide, but your free gift should be a smaller version of your membership experience. So you want to give them a taste of the membership, because then they'll be like, hey, if you like this taste, buy the membership. So just to recap, your YouTube lead generation formula. So what are the things we need? First, you want to figure, if you're focusing on leads, if leads is the problem for your business, because it's not for everybody, and you want to use YouTube, then get started creating YouTube videos. Follow the 1-1-1 rule. So one platform, one avatar, one product, which is your membership. Find your 3 to 5 most profitable keywords, right? That's going to be the foundation of your entire YouTube strategy. And then you got to nail these 6 core elements: thumbnails, hooks, titles, descriptions, call to action, free gifts that convert, right? And then the last step is to move people off YouTube. So give them a free gift to build your email list. This one is where you make way more money. So getting people from YouTube onto your list. The bigger your list is, typically the bigger your business will be. All right. You want to learn how to grow your membership? I have a membership accelerator. Right now it is $49 until we hit a certain number of people in the group, and then the price is going to double to $99 a month. If you want my personal help, I answer every single question every single day, and I add new trainings as people request them. So click the link below this video, and I would love to see you inside the membership. Hope this is helpful. Have a wonderful day.